Welcome back to the Mods YouTube channel. We've got a treat for you today. Today we're going to watch the KaBoom show.
And I would like to welcome everyone to our Keller Science Theater. I am Dr. KaBoom, and I'm here to give you a what? A KaHoo? A KaBoom show. Now, what is KaBoom? KaBoom is basically, we're talking about the study of states of matter, chemistry. Now, matter, you matter, I matter. What is matter? Matter is a solid, a liquid, a gas, and plasma. Now, we can find plasma in two forms, in our light that we see around here, and also in our handy dandy lighter. Now, when you go outside, you hear a rumble, you see a flash of lightning. Yes, that is correct. Lightning is also a form of plasma. Now, my question to my audience members. I have this piece of paper here. I would like to give it a physical change. Is there any way that I can give this paper a physical change? Okay, I can rip it. I can crumble it. For those of you at home, I know you're thinking, can take a bite out of it, take a bite out of crime. It's really good. It's not good for my protein digestion system. Any basketball players out there? We can play basketball with it as well. Now, also, if I fold it, that is a physical change. Now, do you guys see any water anywhere? My water's right here. I'm going to take my paper and dunk it in my water. That is also a physical change. Now, a chemical change, you guys might have been thinking, why don't you use your lighter? Your lighter can set it on fire. My lighter is also part of a chemical change. Now that my paper is set on fire, we're going to let it burn a little bit and dunk it out here with my water. And now I have this black substance all over my finger in paper. You guys know what this black substance is called? Maybe it starts with an A, an ash. It's called ashes. A word that starts with an S, soot. Anybody? Or, of course, carbon, our scientific term, carbon dioxide, monoxide. Which one was it? I don't know. Now, we're going to get into our next experiment. It's my favorite one. So we're going to put fire in our water jug. This is our fire party. Now, we have 3 ways to start a fire. We need a ignition source, we need a fuel source, and we need oxygen. Now, we have oxygen flowing through our jug. If I do like this, like so, give it a nice little shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Come on, you guys. Come on, say it with me. Shake, shake, shake. Now, if I place a flame on the inside, what do you guys think will happen? I'll give you a good hint. It's the word behind me. KaBoom. No, it won't go KaBoom. I just like saying KaBoom. It'll go fire party. Let's try it. So, again, we're going to trap our oxygen in. Give it a nice little shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Woo. And we're shaking. And on the count of 3, we're going to place our flame on the inside. 1, 2, 3. Woo. That was so cool. I'm going to do it one more time for you. I'm going to add a little special treat on the end of this experiment. Okay, this is not working. What I have to do something different. Okay. So maybe I should follow my steps again. I'm missing oxygen. So if I trap my oxygen in, okay, maybe it should work now. Oh, I didn't shake it. Okay. I'm gonna shake it. Still nothing. I know what it is. I have to do all of these motions at once. So I have to trap my oxygen in, shake it all together, keep my oxygen and my liquid in here. And on the count of 3, it should work. We're going to try 1, 2, 3. Now, this is one of my favorite parts of this experiment. Now, imagine you're drinking your favorite beverage, water, drink out of a bottle. You're sucking all the oxygen out of your bottle. All your pressure is making your bottle implode. There's no oxygen getting on the inside. Now, as you take your lips off, take your mouth off your bottle, it should go back to normal. Now, I know you guys are just clapping and clicking that like button. So, we're going to keep these experiments rolling. Now, woo! Sometimes when you go outside, you might see something full of rust. I have 2 plasma spheres here, and they're covered in rust. Now, when I take these 2 plasma spheres and I smash them together, what do you guys think is going to happen? Yes, it's just like me meeting my wife for the first time. Sparks are going to fly. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Here we go. Is that a puppy over there? Okay. I know you saw it. I know you saw it. Okay, one more try, one more try, one more try. Nobody? Anybody? I should add some force. Let's see what happens when I add some force. I've been going to the gym, see if it pays off. Woo! Woo! All right, I think I got one more strong one in me like the Hulk. Here we go, here we go. There we go. Now what we have here is we have rips and tears all over our aluminum foil. Why is that? That is caused by our iron oxide being welded onto our aluminum foil. So every time you guys see a little spark there, our iron oxide is being welded on. We're going to do one more loud one. Cover your ears, guys. Cover your ears. Mom, here we go. Woo! That was so fun. Just going to set that to the side. Now, we have gotten to the part of our show where we do the KaHoo, the KaBoom. That is correct. Now, we've been practicing, we've been working out the kinks in our blast shield. Just give me a second. I'm going to rearrange my room really quick. All right. Now, here at the Museum of Discovery and Science, we have been constructing this special blast shield. This is shockproof, nuclear bomb proof. Nothing will happen. This is shatterproof. Nothing will happen to our audience. Nothing will happen to you guys watching at home. Okay? But if you have an Android, I think something might happen to you. I don't know. It's an iPhone Android joke. Now, here we have a balloon. Ordinary balloon. Do you guys know what it's filled with? If you think you know, go ahead and put it in our comment section below. Now, what we have in our balloon today, we have hydrogen. Hydrogen, which is the first element on our periodic table. It is not helium, it is hydrogen. Hydrogen is very flammable. And when we give this balloon a flame, it will go KaBoom. That is correct. You guys have gotten the hang of it. Now, not only is it filled with hydrogen, it is filled with a very special, I don't know if you guys can hear that, we call that a salt base. And this salt base is called copper chloride. Now, copper chloride is basically things that are made out of copper. Things like a penny, the Statue of Liberty, copper wires, copper coins. Now, the Statue of Liberty was given to us a gift brown. But after the years of oxidation, or it oxidized, can you guys say the word oxidation with me? Oxidize. That means it's a method of change. It goes from rust or non-rust to rusty, like your penny would. Your penny would go from brown to green, or our Statue of Liberty went from brown to green after it oxidized. I know you guys are tired of me talking. We're ready for this KaBoom. Are you guys ready? Clicking that like button lets me know that you're ready. Here we go. We're gonna get a nice KaBoom going here. And you guys are going to count down with me, starting with 5, 4, 3, 2. Woo! What color did you guys see? If you're like me, I'm a little blind. I seen blue. But if you're looking directly at the center of our blast shield, you saw green or turquoise color. You're looking anywhere to the top, you saw a hint of blue. Anywhere to the bottom, you saw a natural hydrogen-filled flame, which is orange. Now we have one more balloon here, and it is filled with a different salt base. Now, This one might sound a little different for you guys. Let me know if you can hear the difference. Tell me what you think that sounds like. The first one sounded like rice or maybe something grainy. This one sounds like it could be thick beads of sand. And for our final time today, we're gonna get our last KaBoom. Are you guys ready? You guys can put me on live if you want. And we're gonna get another countdown starting from 5, 4, 3, 2. All right. I hope you guys didn't blink. If you blink, you saw black. What color did you guys see? I saw purple or a lavender color. What we had in our balloon was potassium, potassium chloride. You can find potassium in what? Bananas. And who else likes bananas? Our minions. Minions love bananas. Now, some other salt bases we might put in a balloon. We might put strontium chloride, which is found in coral reef and is also used to fight bone cancer. Cobalt, which is found in paint, it will turn the flame blue. And sodium, which is table salt, it will turn our flame yellow. That is all the time I have for you guys today. You guys have been phenomenal. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys again.
We want to thank the Florida Panthers Foundation for sponsoring this video. If you liked what you saw, subscribe below.